What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is episode 17 of the Top Step Takeover series, guys. Episode 17. If you guys have been sticking with me thus far, I appreciate you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking with me on this journey. 17 episodes in. It seems like a lot, but at the same time, it's not really a lot. I've just been documenting my journey every single day. That's literally all I've been doing. For you guys, it might seem like a lot, but for me, I've just literally been documenting my journey, mainly for myself, but also to show you guys the reality and how it really is to become a profitable trader, how it really is to chase a payout, to go after a payout, or to attract a payout. And yeah, like I said, I'm all about showing you guys the truth. I'm all about showing you guys transparency, and that's what we're going to continue to do on this channel. It's episode 17, guys, and it was a nice day today. Pretty good day. Let me not say it was a nice day. It was a thank God day. Thank God things didn't go wrong. All right, that's the kind of day it was, like a thank God. Jesus, because I lost my first trade on gold, and then I'm going to break it down for you guys. And then MES ended up hitting TP, which made me back all my money and then some. But price action was ugly throughout the entire markets. Again, this is NFP week. We have NFP. We have a lot of news this week. Trump was speaking this week, NFP, and just a lot more stuff going on. So this week is definitely not the cleanest, but like I said, thank God. Thank God. It's a thank God kind of day. And it seems like it's a thank God kind of week. We have to make sure we stick to our risk management rules. Just to update you guys, I have not traded on the 2 accounts that I passed. I've just been trading on the evals that I'm close to passing. I could be one more trade away, depending on how tomorrow goes. If tomorrow goes good, then I'll pass those and have 4 accounts in total. But for now, I have 2 that are funded and 2 that are currently being worked on to get to the funded stage. That's that. Let me go ahead and show you the stats for today. Like I said, we took 2 trades. Gross P&L, $1,600. Like I said, we lost the first trade on gold, $500, and then we came back and made $2,100 on MES per account. So the 2,100 minus 500 leaves us with this profit right over here, 1602. Like I said, it was a thank God kind of day. And let me show you guys the trade breakdowns. Exit out of that. There we go. All right, so first things first, on gold. On gold, if we go back a little bit, you can see gold is bullish. My bias was that gold is bullish and is obviously bullish. But again, the market can do whatever it wants, whenever it wants to. But I'm just looking at what it's showing me, and I'm going according to what it is revealing to me. It's revealing to me buys, bullishness. Everything looks good for buys. So that's exactly what my bias was going into the session. So this was the high, this was the low. I was expecting this high to get taken out. And that's what happened, but we did get stopped out in between. I was expecting this high to get taken out. I wasn't expecting price to come all the way down here and change momentum or change direction. But I was expecting this high to get taken out. It seems like there's a lot of liquidity up here. You can see all this liquidity. But anyway, as we drop down the lower time frame, there was imbalance. There was an imbalance on the 1 hour, I believe it was. Yes, 1 hour imbalance. Price tapped into it several times, 1, 2, and then this third time. It's showing me that price probably does not want to sell, but rather wants to go up. All right, so if we go to 5 minute, gave me a nice MLBM setup. Hasn't been confirmed yet. If you guys don't know what MLBM is, like I said, I will gladly make a video on it if you request it, or you can go back to my older videos. But it is updated, and if you guys want it, I'll give it to you. Broke structure to the upside, MLBM confirmed. I have this last order block that I'm expecting price to come back and tap into. If it doesn't tap into it, it's all good. If it does tap into it, great. So at this point, I'm waiting. And there was news at 8:15 as well. So that's something I was aware of, but I still wanted to take the trade because this is a valuation account. I would not have done it if it was my live funded account. I wouldn't have taken the trade so close to news time. But because this was eval, like I just said, I decided to take it. At this point, I'm waiting for structure to shift. Structure has not shifted yet. Last high. At this point, price broke up, gave me confirmation that price wants to buy up, and boom, we're in this trade. Right when this candle closes, we're in this trade. And that's, like I said, news is at 8:15. We got this candle and then the news candle right here, the news spike right here. Boom. You can tell we were in profit. We were literally halfway to TP, and then price just ended up doing what it wanted to. I wouldn't say it was the news. It definitely wasn't the news. I'm going to show you guys what it is. That stopped me out because you can see price did end up going exactly where I anticipated it going to. But look at this huge 4-hour imbalance that was left unfilled. Price wanted to come back, tap into that imbalance before ultimately you'll see right now, boom, going up and taking out that high. Like I said, we anticipated the high to get taken out, but price had something to achieve before then, and I just got caught in the middle. It is what it is. Like I said, this is a trade that I'll take any day of the week. I'll take this trade any day of the week. I'm not mad at this trade. Definitely not mad. But price just had to do what it had to do. Had to come back here, come down here, fill in the imbalance perfectly. Look at this. Right on this wick. The imbalance gets filled perfectly, and then price goes up to our target. And that was this trade right here. Boom. Now what I'm looking for on gold, I'll give it more structure, but potential sells on gold. Potential sells on gold, but I do need more structure in order to confirm. Now, the winning trade, MES. MES was the winning trade. And literally as TP got hit, price reversed. I can't make this up, guys. If I still had my entry symbols, I would have shown, I closed that out already. If I still had my entry symbols, I would have shown you guys, but I do not have it. All I have is this right here. It was a 1 to 3, beautiful. TP gets hit and price just reversed and continued to the upside. But let me break the trade down for you guys. So bearish markets on indices. Nas looked like it wanted to buy, but it ended up selling. Thankfully, Nas didn't give me any kind of setup because I would have probably taken the buys on Nas. And I did see sales on MES, which is why I took them. So imbalance right here for our imbalance. Price tapped into the imbalance. Scroll down the lower time frame. Price took out the high, MLBM. Waiting for the break. Boom, MLBM confirmed. Now, I was waiting for price to come back up here to this order block. Price ended up never coming back. Just continued to the downside. And so I just followed order flow. I just followed the flow of the market. There's another 5-minute imbalance right over here. All I'm doing, like I said, is following the flow of the market. There was a 5-minute imbalance right here, but did not get a setup over here. Now there's another 5-minute imbalance that price left behind, and I ended up getting my setup within that 5-hour imbalance. MLBM happens, boom. Still not confirmed MLBM. Then we get the break, boom, beautiful. At this point, I'm waiting for price to come back up, tap into this order block, and then give me my setup. Price ended up coming back. And then this beautiful candle right here, beautiful candle, was the confirmation I needed to get into the trade. I did not get in on this candle. I got in a little higher just because I missed the trade at first. Initially, I missed the trade, but I did catch one of the retracements. So price, not this retracement, but the second one. I wasn't looking at the charts at the time. This retracement is what I caught. This right here. But if I was paying attention, I would have gotten in down here and the risk to reward would have been disgusting. And I would have gotten stopped at a break even just because price reversed at that point. But I got in somewhere up here, I think it was. Let's just say right on this candle right over here. I got in there, let price do its thing. And ultimately, price hit TP, boom, and then just completely reversed after. Literally, price hit TP and then just reversed after. I was expecting price to come all the way down here, but because, again, I can't make more than $1,500 on my account. Because I can't make more than $1,500 on my account, I just set my TP right here, and this was the 1,500 bucks I needed. Boom. And that's all I needed. After that, price just reversed. Boom, boom, boom. Thankfully, TP got hit. It was a beautiful trade, beautiful entry, beautiful execution. So appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, it's been 17 episodes into this Top Step Takeover series. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys continue to stay tuned because I will continue to drop gems. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.